Hello and welcome to my PlayerPrefs tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be using JavaScript in Unity3D to create a simple PlayerPrefs saving mechanism. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new cube, and what we're going to save in this tutorial is its color. You can do other things such as position, rotation, scale, just really anything you want, but it follows the same pattern. And so yeah, that's all we're gonna do for now. So create a new JavaScript after placing a cube and making sure your camera's looking at the cube. Create a new JavaScript and call that anything you want. I'm gonna call mine example and open that up. Alright. So in your new JavaScript, what you want to type in is function start and function on GUI. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is go back to Unity and drag the example script or whatever you called your script onto the cube. Perfect. So now in your function on GUI, you want to create a new button called a new button. So when you click it, it changes the color of your cube. So what we're going to do is we're going to do GUI dot button rec 100 100 100 and 100 and call that blue, actually yellow, and copy all of that and call this one red. So inside your yellow button, what you want to type in is render dot material dot color equals color dot yellow. There we go. Copy that, paste it here, and change that to red. So now what we want to do as well is move this down, because or else they'd be overlapping each other. So if I click yellow, the cube goes to yellow. Click red, the cube goes to red. For this to work, you have to make sure that your script is on your cube, because it changes the object the script is attached to. If you want to put the script on your camera but change the cube's color, you're gonna have to make sure you assign that. Alright. Now let's say you had lots of code and you wanted to create a like a function where you just save its position, rotation straight away just by calling one function. What you do is type in function save. I'm pretty sure nothing's called that. Copy that, and below here put that in. And what we're gonna do is in the save function, since we're gonna be saving a color, we're gonna type in color equals string, and in here we have to put in now a color equal to string, and we're gonna call this one yellow. Alright, and in here we're gonna do PlayerPrefs dot set string color, and in here we're going to type in color as the variable we set up in here, like that. Close that off, and in here do the same but change that to red. Alright, and also we're gonna print color. So if it works, then we're gonna know that it worked. So yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Right. So that worked fine. And now what we want to do is we want to load it. So once we shut down the game, we want to reload it. So we're gonna do if actually create a new quick variable. Color equals PlayerPrefs dot get string, and this is color. You can see we set color here. I believe it's if color saved. If saved color is null, isn't null, sorry. Game object. Alright, yeah. Let me just print out just to make sure everything's working fine. Works. Okay. So I set it as red, and now if I hit play, yeah, that should work, but it's giving me an error. Alright, so it has to be called from the main string. So on the function start equals PlayerPrefs dot get string color with a capital, red, and it does work. So it's not the value of color is not equal to nothing, it's equal to something. And now what we want to do is if saved color is equal to yellow, and just copy this renderer material color, else put it as red. Hit play, hopefully this works, and there we go, it's red. I'm going to change it to yellow, stop it, hit play, and it's yellow. So that is it, and all you have to do is whenever let's say you were to do a position, you change that to a vector 3, and then you put this game object dot position, and then it would save, and then you can load it as that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.